Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We're going to remain in positive MACD, but we're still approaching to negative MACD territory, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We did bounce right off the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $2.61. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we have now approached to positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge there. And as for support, that'll be where we made support in the past. That dated back to December 8th at around a price of $2.43. And as for resistance, that'll be where we encountered resistance that dated back to November 25th at around a price of $2.94. If we were to head up higher to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 8.9%, and to test support, that is around 9.9% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $8.67, which is this range right here, and that coincides with the all-time lows that dated back to December 8th. My sell target is at $9.77 and my stop loss is at $8.30. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.09, and that is this range here. And my sell target for that is $9.06 and my stop loss is at $10.43. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 44% chance for it to climb between 0 to 7.6%. Further extreme case to the upside, 11% chance to climb between 7.6% to 15.2%. As for the downside, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7.6%. Further extreme case to the downside, 11% to fall between negative 7.6% to negative 15.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.